Do you think that the government, the administration right now, or the Congress right now is more corrupt than the past Congress?
Of course.
This is...
I think this is like, this one is the champion. This one gets the trophy of trophies. Because, tinuruan nga sila ni Romualdez eh. Dito na yung worst nung time ni Duterte. Kahit anong sabihin nyo kay Duterte, JK, mamatay tao, ganyan, nagmumura, pero takot sila kay Duterte magnakaw ng hayag-hayagan kasi mamurahin sila ni Digong. Takot sila. Ito, pinsan niya, sagot mo kami, boss, ha? Hindi sila takot. Di ba? Kaya, itong invention na ito ng insertion at insertion fee at flood control at rock netting, ito, tingnan nyo mabuti, you trace the budget. Nangyayari lang ito since 2022.
But of course, Diskaya started in 2016
Anong
and
sabi
started
niya?
to get their billions.
Anong sabi
by
niya?
2019.
Tinanong siya, bakit nung panahon ni Digong wala kang ganun? Wala naman po nanghingi nung panahon ni President Duterte.